So I just eat it?
As if we were actually
Chicken, mashed potatoes. What do they call that? Home fries and onions? What the heck?
it just looked like
Scallop potatoes.
yeah.
Hot beef and gravy. Corn, green beans. I don't know what that is. Hush
Tortilla
puppies.
chip toasted.
Tilapia.
I just rubbed it on.
Jeez. And they have pizza. That was okay. Make your own taco. Some pizza. And we got the smokehouse barbecue. So get your buns. Put in some barbecue pulled pork. Oh, it's good. That was okay. Ew. Smoked salmon. Salmon. And we got some Brussels sprouts, I think. Got some bread. Get you some buns. Looks big.
They eat it raw?
I guess. Those little babies.
CPR. I like how they do CPR today. I think it's so weird that they call it PE and not gym.
This is where you'll get the crab legs. Go through.
I don't know. This is
Sorry. Oh, is that where they get the butter? We got some spaghetti, butter.
oh, that's for the
Mine are too.
I was like, you have eyebrows in my unibrow. She's like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah. So she came up to me, she started plucking my eyebrows, and I was like, ow! That's so bad. Ooh, is this beans?
It's Salisbury steak. Ew, what the heck is that? Ew, scallops. Oh, someone dropped some shrimp in there.
Kind of looks like corn.
And this is Asian food. Oh yeah, right there was favorites. Now we gotta go get some cheesecake. Soup and salad, fruits. Then they have desserts on the other side. Yeah. Yeah. Yum.
There's multiple.
I don't know, grab it. I'll keep that.
Yeah, because it says cheesecake. And then say something different.
Alright.
Cheesecake versus cheesecake.
Grab that one. I'll
You
grab
got
this.
both?
Yeah, and then I'll eat whatever one she doesn't want.
Your shirt.
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, I just bought another page.
Full house tonight. Say hi. We didn't know which one. Okay.
What do you feel
So how do I open it? Oh, you just break it in half. Oh, what the heck?
They're dripping.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, here goes nothing.
You don't like it?
Is that a bone?
Holy.
Kind of tastes like perch, the Pacific. Little bit of the Pacific.
Here, go, Cuckoo. I could only have a little bit. You have some smoked shrimp.
It tastes like chicken.
That looks good.
The smoked shrimp isn't bad.
Oh, you eat that little
I don't know how to eat it, but I'm gonna try.
What is it?
This little
A little
crawfish.
lobster?
What new one now?
we should film you and you can put it on your video.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, are you?
There's my meshu. There's Cuckoo.
Hi.
Cuckoo, say hi.
Cuckoo, say hi to our fans. Yeah, this is definitely something else.
I like fried shrimp though.
I usually like them like they cook Same with the clams.
What the heck are these? I think they're called calamari bits or something like that.
Clams.
Oh, clam bits? It's a clam.
That one
Are you supposed to dip it in something?
good.
I'll do
That one
that.
both ways.
Okay. With cocktail sauce.
It's got like
Usually bring the kids here, but we couldn't. And they understood it.
they rather play the game anyway.
Did you give them the stuff?
Didn't really taste like anything.
Get this goat back.
Yeah, try one by your
It looks so fried and small. Look at that. You want to try one? Doesn't taste like anything. So are you supposed to just eat the meat inside this?
I wouldn't even know how to do that.
We practice them on
Oh.
You should keep it.
Search up how to eat crawfish. Have some regular food, potatoes.
See, that's the meat you're trying to get out.
Well, they rip the tail off or the head off.
I think it was the same. The crawfish.
That you have to ask them about. I don't know anything about those. Usually they just snap them off and from the head.
So good.
Oh, I haven't seen it for a long time. Got it? Oh, it's all
Is that it?
I don't know.
got it?
So I just eat it? That doesn't taste bad.
Ew.
like shrimp.
Kind of.
We'll try one.
You just eat the legs?
Did I?
It's baby wings.
Is it good?
It's not bad. I think they seasoned it well. that taste good? Is that your first time?
Second or third.
Second or third time trying it? Gugu had like 5 legs.
She's a pro at opening. You didn't like it?
He looked at the inside and he threw it away. The inside is gross, at least the rib part. What about that little chunk that you tried off the tail? Oh, you took my mushroom too? Oh wait, no, I only got 2.
Remember I got 16 digits card number, but I can't remember.
The good old trick.
Gugu, I have short-term memory loss. Mommy, are you vlogging? The butter?
The butter? The tip.
Oh. Did you do that thing?
Trying to make it look like a lot of junior, like a lot of money.
Hey, Gugu, how do you guys say thank you in your language?
Get Abby
Did that be?
and Miss Waukee.
How do you say money?
Junior? June. Our language is very similar. June. They say June for money and we say Junior.
Oh, that's the same thing. Let's say Zeesh. What does Zeesh mean?
Or
Do you know what that means?
no.
Go then.